For this look, I am using Holo Taco's Long Lasting Base, Holo Taco's Toe Beans, Holo Taco's Hot Wire Pink, Maniology's B171 Straight Up Black, Maniology's B187 Heart of Gold, Holo Taco's Quick Dry Base, Maniology's B382 Smudge Free Top Coat, Holo Taco's Super Glossy Taco, Maniology Stamping Plate MXM103, and Maniology Stamping Plate MXM104. Using Holo Taco's long-lasting base, we start by applying a base coat. After the base coat, it is time for the base color. Here, I am using Holo Taco's Toe Beans, which does take a few coats to reach full opacity. As this color was limited edition, if you do not own it, you will need to find a dupe. Over the base color, I am dry brushing Holo Taco's Hot Wire Pink for visual interest. To do this, simply wipe most of the polish off the brush, which you can test on a silicone mat if desired, before applying to the nail. Using Maniology's stamping plate MXM103 and their stamping polish B171 Straight Up Black, I pick up the Honeycomb design onto a clear jelly stamper. From here, using either a dotting tool or a detail brush, I am adding in Maniology's B187 Heart of Gold to all the unfilled honeycomb parts. It's okay to get the gold on top of the black because this is the back of the image that won't be seen. Since our design will dry to the stamper while we add in the additional color, I first apply Holo Taco's Quick Dry Base to the nail to create a tacky surface before applying the image to the nail as well. For an accent on a couple of nails, I will now repeat the process of reverse stamping using the same colors, but Maniology stamping plate MXM104 for a bumblebee. The nail should still be tacky, no need to apply more quick dry base. To seal the design, I am now using Maniology's B382 Smudge Free Top Coat. Let this dry completely before moving on to the next step. Finally, the manicure is sealed in for long-lasting wear with Holo Taco's Super Glossy Taco. As this is no longer available, you will want to use their Glossy Taco instead. Voila! Enjoy your manicure.